Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I got a special unboxing. Before I jump into this here unboxing, y'all need to click on your girl subscribe button. Yep, it's going to be right here. Yep, go ahead and click on it so I can go ahead and show you what's in this here box. So you click. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. Before I get into the unboxing, I wanted to share with you all the new Fenty Cream Gloss. And this is what I am wearing all over the lip. I'm using the Sephora lip liner in number 17. So I use these two together. And y'all, let me just say, before I jump into this here unboxing, this here Fenty Cream Gloss is bomb. So glad I treated myself to some. I only bought two, but I just wanted to share with you all really quick. So now let's go ahead and let me show you the good. And online shopping, here is the box, because on the other side it has all my information. So yeah, here is the box, and y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, like I cannot wait. I didn't open the box. I didn't peek, because normally I peek, but like I said, I came home, I had to run and grab something to eat really quick. I had to do my makeup, get all cute, because I didn't want to not get cute for this here particular video. So let me go ahead and pull out the handy dandy box cutter. I guess you open it somehow here on the front. And don't blame me when y'all see this bag and y'all like, oh my gosh, Miss Tamika, I'm about to go get one. Like, don't blame me, because I seen a lot of y'all send me messages saying, because of you, Miss Tamika, I bought this and all that. Like, y'all don't be blaming me all the time. It's like, nah. How it is, because that's how I am when I'm on YouTube. I'll watch a video and then I'll be like, oh my goodness, I need it. But this here particular item, I didn't see that many videos on. I'm gonna show you the inside of the box. Now, this is my first time ever purchasing from the actual website, but look, you all, yes, your girl did it again. I told y'all I was in love with those Marc Jacobs tote bag. Is the inside of the box is all black, and it says Marc Jacobs with an S. Let me put that to the side so I don't kill myself in the process. Comes in this here Marc Jacobs envelope, and it just has your return label and my actual receipt in the inside. It kind of reminds you of like Louis Vuitton and Gucci, how they store their receipts. You all, I purchased the Marc Jacobs, what is this? The Marc Jacobs Teddy Tote. I was trying to get it off of the Bloomingdale's, like Bloomingdale's or Nordstrom's, because you know when you purchase from those websites, they have like a gift card offer or a certain amount off. Because Neiman Marcus sent me $50 off 100 or more. I was even trying to get it off of Neiman Marcus. Like, I was trying to get it off of all those websites. I did see it on the Bloomingdale's website. I just kept it in my cart, and then eventually it ended up selling out. So the only place that had this particular bag was the Marc Jacobs. And if you're new to my channel, how I do my unboxings is I will unbox the bag, pull everything out, show you a little bit of the features of the bag, and then my second video will be when I will put everything in the bag, show you how it looks on my body and things like that. So make sure you subscribe so you can see part 2 of this here unboxing. And open it, because I want to make sure, you know, everything is everything. It's like an actual teddy coat. Like, if you have a teddy coat, it feels just like a teddy coat. I have one quick question. These here teddy totes, like, are they only for wintertime, or can you get away with wearing these here in the summertime? I just wanted to know. Only a winter bag. Here, teddy totes cost a little more, y'all. Cost a little more. I wanted to get one in my hand so I can see if it's actually worth the actual price, because they retail for $250 unless you can catch them on sale. I do want to make sure this bag is worth every penny, and I am loving the bag. I mean, the bag is cute. So far so good. Different for me, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I never owned the teddy type of bag, so it's new to me. I'm just like looking at it, trying to make sure, because I did see maybe 1 or 2 videos on this here particular bag, and I noticed like the bottom part was like the shaping was off. And I'm that type of person, like everything has to be perfect, like everything from inch to inch, height to height, everything has to be perfect. Back out of the packaging, like I said, it was, you know, it was flat inside of the packaging, so of course with me putting stuff in here a little different, just straight out of the box. And if I didn't mention, the inside is this here tan type color. You do have a zip pocket on this here side, and it has the Marc Jacobs tag in the inside. And what's in the zipper? So here in the zipper you have your Marc Jacobs card in the inside, I guess letting you know that it's an official Marc Jacobs bag. Then you have a strap. Let's see what this strap looks like. It's just a regular old black strap, nothing with writing on it or anything like that, but I'm gonna show you this one here. I think my other toe has silver hardware as well. Here you have your silver hardware, and the straps are adjustable, so if you're short like myself, you may need to adjust it. You can, because like I said, they are adjustable. If for some reason you want to take the straps off, you can. You just, let me show you, take it and detach it from here, and you can stuff it in your bag, or again have it on the side of your bag. And then you also have a nice top zipper, top of your bag. Was looking for the mini in this here particular, well not this here teddy, but I was looking for the mini Marc Jacobs tote. But the only thing with the mini, it didn't have an inside pocket. If for some reason I'm not loving this, I probably will return this and purchase the mini and just do without the teddy. But so far so good. Like I said, this is something I never had before, so I gotta, you know, once I turn the camera off, I gotta go and play with it, put my stuff in it, and just look at it and make sure, you know, I am loving it. It's not that I don't love it, it's just different. So the thing with this here, to get it to, you know, not look so funky, they have to put a pillow in here or just stuff it with my things. And it do have your little what is this little thing on the side. I'm not sure what that's for, what this is for, but I've been using it on my other bag for me to tuck this here tag in, this here zipper tag. Like I just tuck it down in there just to keep it from flying everywhere. But again, I'm not sure what this is used for. Still has the features of the actual Marc Jacobs tote, but this here is just a teddy, like a blush pink and a black one. But I just like this one because again, this is like a neutral color. Inside of it is really beautiful. Like look at the inside of that. Like it's a nice, really well made bag. Bags are really, really nice. Yeah, let me see if I could just show you a quick few shots just before I play with the bag. By the way, I got this sweater from Target, you all, when it was on sale. So the bag, like if you wanted to carry it on the crook of your arm, here is the bag. If I didn't mention, this color here is 260 beige. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep this bag, and I do want one more. But yeah, I think I like this bag, you all. It's really cute. It's different. I have nothing like this here in my collection. Like I said, you can attach your straps, it like so. Sure, you look out for part 2 because I will do more. I will show more in part 2, but I'm just showing just a little bit in this one, in this here video. So here you can carry it on the side, this here strap. So you can carry it as a crossbody bag. You can, like I said, you can adjust it because I am short. So wanted to have it a lot. Let me see if I can make it shorter. Bag to be a little shorter, you can. I mean, this is not on the shortest settings, but you know, y'all get the picture. And then I like how this is easy to get to. Here is the Marc Jacobs. This is the size small. This is not, I didn't mention, this here is not the mini tote. Here is the small. think they have this in mini. I'm not 100% sure, y'all. Don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. I'm sure this bag is going to eventually go on sale, but I couldn't wait. Grab the bag, look at it, and just make sure holidays, I'm sure this here collection may end up going on sale. Eventually these bags, I think, may go on sale. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure they may go on sale, because if you go on the Marc Jacobs website, they do have 40% off, but it's not on these here particular bags. Do purchase another bag. I will try and wait for the sale, because I do want one more. I do want two more. I want a small tote in another color, and then I want a mini tote. I'm not sure the color of the mini tote, but I do want the mini one. I'm not sure if I want black. I think I want a color, if I can get it in a color, because on Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom's, I only see black, and I think it's leopard print. I like leopard, but not enough to get it in the bag. So, and this here is leather. The Marc Jacobs patch is leather. They don't have anything here on the back. I think that's it for now. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and start filling this. You are subscribed to my channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps out. It also helps out my channel. And with that being said, you all, I will catch you in part 2 of this here video, and until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.